Hey everyone, how's it going? I know I haven't been vlogging for a while because this clicking that you hear in the camera. Oh, itchy nose. And the camera is gonna be fixed very soon, so I will be MIA for like a week or two. Also, on Monday was the first day of school for me, and the morning was frustrating because my bus didn't come, but I settled everything out and I went to school, and the day went well, and I met up with a friend and like the next day, and she's my best friend. So this video is gonna be short, but overall I've been very tired. I've been taking lots of naps, and I'm trying to get my body back on schedule. But if I don't vlog on next Monday, happy Labor Day, if you see this video. But I hope you guys have a great day or night, and I hope to see you guys soon. See ya.